In today's quick video, I'm gonna show you how to take a whole garlic clove, peel it, and mince it real quick. Hey, I'm Laura, and on this channel, I have a lot of simple videos like this one because I know that my kids will one day watch these videos to learn how to cook. So if that's your jam, simple and easy recipes that you can make, hit that red subscribe button so you and I can cook together a few times a week. So what you wanna do is separate your garlic cloves so you have whole cloves. And while I'm separating, I'm removing as much of the skin as possible. And then let's start with this big one right here. I'm going to take my knife and trim the end. And then I flip it over and I trim the other end. And just like that, it already started to peel. You can get your nail in the garlic clove and easily lift that skin, and your garlic clove is peeled. Now, a lot of people tell you to trim the ends and then you take your knife and smash it, and that makes it easier to remove the skin. Sure thing, but it also smashes your garlic clove. So personally, I think this makes it tougher to mince because now your garlic clove isn't as stable. Whether you smash it or use your nail to lift and remove the skin, both ways work. First step is to get our garlic clove flat on our cutting board, and then our fingers are positioned vertically, and we're gonna cut this garlic into vertical slices. This is, as you can see, a very rough cut, no perfection here. And we're gonna repeat this with the rest of our garlic cloves. So as you can see, these have been cut into vertical pieces. They're all just right on my board. Now, by the way, for this job, you're using a large knife. Grab the biggest knife you have. It makes the job so much easier. Now we take our knife and go like this vertical. I'm also taking the palm of my hand and resting it on the top. That is gonna be our lever to mince our garlic back and forth. Gather your garlic from the board as you go. And then you can carefully remove it from your knife, back onto your board. And while it's not the perfect chef looking mince, it is fantastic and really small, and now it's perfect to be used in my favorite recipes. You can mince as many as you need for a recipe, or watch this next video and learn how to freeze it.